Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back into the lesson. Alrighty, so let's go over how to draw a cute ghost. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, okay? It's a very simple, straightforward lesson, and we're going to go through it step by step together. So let's get started, okay? Very short. Stay all the way to the very end, so you kind of got this in your repertoire. It'll help you. To stay to the end, you have all the knowledge. So first things first, I'm going to start with a round head right here, okay? Curve like the letter C aiming downward. If you want to do it piece by piece, it's okay. So we're going to go over here. Let's just say we do it piece by piece, right? One piece of that. Keep going over here. Over here on this side. Down, curve. Curve right here. Curve right here. Right on. Gonna pull downward over here, and it's gonna end in that ghost tail, like kind of like a genie. So this is his hands coming up, like, oh dear, like the Pillsbury Doughboy. Gonna pull it down over here, and we're gonna go down, just kind of wiggle down to kind of have that ghost tail, that genie style tail thing going on. Okay, hopefully you have that. Really simple, right? Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna go the eyes and give him straight up chibi eyes. So it's gonna go right here, curve. Over here, curve. Line across for the mouth. And he's gonna be excited. He's gonna be like, whoa, no, what's going on? Yeah, woo. Curve for the tongue on the inside. Line right here. Curve. Curve. Line over here on this side. Line over here. One more line over here on this side. So that's more of like a kind of like a shadow line to kind of give the ghost some dimension. Same thing with that, right? We're gonna go over here on this side, same thing. Right there. Might thicken that line just a little bit, not too much. Let's go over here to the side of the head. Same thing. Over here as well, same thing. Right on. Curve over here. Line over here. Cool. And that's pretty much it for this particular ghost. You can do the same thing with like another one back here. You can have like a crew. So for example, you can have another one over here. Same kind of style, right? Same big head. And then maybe you can have him pull down for the back of his body, down here for the tail, over here, curve over here, down over here in this area. Line over here in this area. So for the other hand, like he's just got his hands down, like hanging down. And so you kind of remember the design to that he has these little bitty nubs for hands, right? And then he's just kind of over there, just kind of like, okay, maybe like a circle, maybe a line across. If you want to have any color here, let's do that together really quick. Nothing too major, nothing too wild. Let's grab like a red over here for right here for the tongue. And I'm gonna grab a blue over here, a light blue, as light as you can get it. Let me see. Yeah, as light as you can get it as far as the blue goes, because you don't want it to be, it goes down darker than you think. And then we're just gonna trace the side of it over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Curve on this side. Curve down. Right there. And we're going to draw a line here. Here. Like so. And it gives a little bit of dimension. That's the whole point of it, to give it a little bit of personality. Like, but you don't want to overwhelm it with color. And the light blue is always kind of reflective, I've noticed, of something that's like just kind of like a white color right there. So you can do the same thing back here with this guy. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm doing nothing but Halloween drawing tutorials 3 times every single weekday for the whole season. So just for about 2 months. So the cool part is when you subscribe, it's going to subscribe you for not just this year, next year as well. So when I start posting again next August, you're going to start seeing a flood of, you know, how to draw Halloween stuff. Because you'll be like, oh, what was that channel that had the Halloween stuff? You know, like I'm making a voice. And it's like, you don't even have to think about it. It's already going to be coming to your feed when I post again next year. So it's kind of cool. It has that kind of security thing. Line over here. Down over here. Just the same thing, kind of bordering that, edging that border there. Dot over here. And there you go. That is pretty much it. You can always add more ghosts. It's got like the big head. If you really want to learn how to draw something cute, there's a cute drawing ebook. I'll try to put that list in the description. If you can find it in the description, it might be there already. I have to like figure that out. And don't forget to buy a sticker. Those things are only around for, I think, another month and a week, and then I'm going to completely get rid of them forever. So thank you so much. I appreciate the love. You guys are cool. What I want you to do is to reach out to me and say hi in the comment section, and that's going to let me know kind of more about what you guys want. So thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you very, very soon, okay? See ya. Oh, I forgot the phrase to go out. It is stay spooky. All right, talk to you later.